Earthquake. Frickin' earthquake happening right now. I'm just setting up to record a song for the hell of it, and a real earthquake. It's still shaking. Still shaking. Dang, I'm gonna just start recording while it's still shaking. So, due to the coronavirus and the earthquake, I'm jamming in place today. Just some song I recently wrote. Figured might as well record since we gotta stay home and do our thing. You need control to restrict the flow. It's difficult to be comfortable. It's emotional, can't avoid it though. It's a short-term loan when you're purged to cope. After all you say and do, how much should be left of you is nothing enough. How much is enough is nothing enough. You need to know that you're beautiful and to let it go and to lose control. After all you say and do, how much should be left of you is nothing enough. How much is enough is nothing enough. How much should be left of you? How much should be left of you? How much should be left of you? I kept thinking about that earthquake. Let's see. It says it was 2.6, but no way. That was like over 5. Here we go. I'm gonna start the show. Don't you know? I wanna play some more. Wanna get up in the sound. Nothing's lost and nothing's found. Sure, life can get you down, 'cause life ain't fucking around. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't hang on to what's all wrong. Life's a song that don't last long. you show? And don't you find what you're thinking of? Like a magician pulling dust, I am giving you love. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There you go, you've rocked and rolled, and in the afterglow, you can get ready for the show. Voices ring from up above, and don't you find what you're thinking of? Like a magician pulling dust, I'm pulling out my love. Giving you love. All right, coronavirus jam in place. With a little earthquake to kick it off, so that just happened.